So, I lost my drone. I was planning on sharing some aerial shots of parks and cool places in Sacramento, but nope. I ran into some bad luck. So I bought a cheap drone from Amazon a few days ago, or I want to say last week. It was about $150 after discounts. I've completed a couple successful flights before losing this drone. So over the weekend, I went to Old Sacramento with my family, and while we were there, we walked around Old Sacramento Waterfront District. For those of you who don't know, the Waterfront District is a Western-style town. It's a historic place situated right in front of the river. It's beautiful. So I saw the Gold Tower Bridge and thought it would be cool to get a nice drone shot of that. I went back to my car, got my drone, walked over to the bridge, and I decided to take off right at the base of the bridge. So normally when you unlock the drone, the propellers start to spin, and then the drone takes off. Well, my particular unit, when it's unlocked, it hovers about 5 feet in the air, and it stays there until you tell it to move. But for some weird reason, during that sunny day in front of the Sacramento River, when I unlocked that drone, the drone immediately disconnected from my controller. It hit the guardrail and then shot straight up, and then it started to zigzag as it got higher and higher. Then it flew across the river and then it disappeared into the wilderness. So I was just there like shocked, like what the heck just happened? Many drones have a return to home feature, RTH. It's a button you press that tells the drone to come back to you. Well, none of these buttons are going to work if the drone disconnects as soon as you turn it on. So yeah, that's what happened. The weird thing is, this drone averaged 4.5 stars on Amazon, and it had over 2,000 reviews. But then I looked closer to the 1-star reviews, and people had the same type of experience with the drone just disconnecting and just going rogue. So shout out to Amazon. They gave me all my money back. So now I'm trying to decide which type of drone to get, but I might hold off because this event was quite traumatizing. If you are a drone user or have experience with drones, let's chat it up. I'd love to still realize my goals of taking aerial shots of Sacramento and showcasing this beautiful city. So go ahead and leave me a message, send me a message, and I'll see you guys at the next video.